Kasunjuki Kintai Catholic Shillong Archdiocese Zone 1 Rengkat Kasin Gabriel High Secondary School Pakasin Gabriel Outreach Kalaraki World Environment Day ha ka santri ujliu araja arpulai halo kapang kila jingeda halo jing Jingjakhlia ke plastik Kongsan day video mele mesin ari blok ka Solini Varma IAS harengkat ke Jingtreilang officer on special duty jong menteri rangba kejela uba Daniel Thankyu komu special invitee assistant director Pak Aras Nongbri ke Marbyang Presiden Sunjuki Kintai Catholic Shillong Archdiocese Principal ke St. Gabriel High Secondary School Sister Hazel Rambai Vice Principal Sir John Jarain Parish Priest ke St. Paul Parish Upper Shillong Father Tobias Kharngap Kenta Kirkhot ke St. Paul Parish Pastoral Council Kilong Keme ke St. Paul Parish Kinong Hikai Bat ki Khana ke St. Gabriel High Secondary School Haba Ajingkren ke Kongsan Hakani Kasngi Kala ai ya gejing hikai sheki kena school ki badan hagani sngi kumno begin sumare kamariang bat banting kai ya kabor electric umdi bat ki bai shushu kala ong ba gejing peni ya gejing eight kamariang kam dei tang shisngi andre uwei pa uwei ude bandon ya gejing sngu thu bar gejing eight ya kamariang kadai banlong manla kasngi ha ka imlang ka salang lapun ko ya kasngi da gejing thung dieng ne kongsan ki parish pastoral council bat ki long kme ka parish
Nadabda Jingtreilang Bania Donlang Batpi ha kane kasni Banile Burom Yaka May Mariang Napinpo ka Jingsnunu Shaka St. Gabriel School Balakhot Snoba Yana Banlong Kumka Chief Guest ha kane Kapor Naladon Minta Hajula Meghale Lakhindai Banai Bat Kawai Banai Yohi Kalong Baki Briu Hakane ka Jila Ki Burom Bad Mukur Bhaya ka Mariang Batkumta na Khaban Ongba Jula Meghale Kalong Shisha Kawai Naki Jaka Baro Bana Lawi Kilung Kiwa Kideng Kisej Kinang Pinput Ya Kamariang Kilong Shisha Ki Eke Kiba Kordor Batkumta Ni Dei Banle Katba Lahalai Borban Pine Ya Kamariang Batkas Pajomka Sashi Siyen na ay Kublai Happy Environment Day Yapi Baro Iwei Pa Iwei Kublai Shibut thank you so much. And on Environment Day, what comes to my mind is I remember as school children, we were told that we are the future of tomorrow. And what we do today will happen tomorrow. So my dear school children, all I would like to say is that truly, the government is doing some wonderful work under the leadership of the Honorable CM. Your teachers and your staff are guiding you well. But as children, I think you should develop the consciousness not to waste bottles, not to waste paper, switch off the lights and fans when necessary. And these small steps, I think at your level, if you take, that would really help us. And to teachers also, I would like to request, to inculcate in students very actively, not just on World Environment Day, but very actively the spirit of saving the environment, because as the wonderful speakers before me have already said, that we are in a crisis and there's not much human intervention we can make as a solution, and I think prevention is better than cure. So as much as possible, these young children, I think they should be environmentally conscious, and thankfully the sun is gone now, but it's been a scorching day, so I won't keep anybody for too long. Happy Environment Day, thank you so much for having me, and all the very best, and whatever cooperation you need from our block side, would love to grant so. Thank you so much.